you are using TikTok and you discover that the restricted mode is turned on, you can easily turn off this restricted mode, as this will allow you to have access to mature content on the platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. So this is to protect your privacy from seeing information beneath your age or from seeing mature content that is not meant for your age group. Also, whether you are within this or not, you can always turn on and turn off this particular TikTok restricted mode. To do this, all you need to do is open the TikTok application on your iPhone. Now wait for the TikTok application to load. Now click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the menu icon at the top right. Select settings and privacies. Scroll down to content and display. Click on content preferences. Then tab restricted mode. There you go. You see I have my restricted mode turned off. Now in your own case, if restricted mode is turned on, you need to turn it off by clicking on the turn off button. So let's turn off this restricted mode on my account, then set. There you go. You can see restricted mode is on. Now from the restricted mode page here, once you click on restricted mode, you should see the option to turn off restricted mode. And this is the settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. Tap turn off. Once you hit turn off, you'll be prompted to type in your restricted mode passcode. Then go ahead and do this. Once type in the passcode, click on the next button. There you go. You've turned off restricted mode. So this is how to turn off settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. If you find this really interesting, you want to smash the button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.